Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the commerce and accountancy paper of the subject of commerce and accountancy for first year. First year commerce and accountancy model paper, very important model paper. If you are preparing for last minute, that model paper are very helpful to score good marks in commerce and accountancy. Let us see the first part, that is commerce. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Let us see the important questions for 10 marks. Sole proprietorship, very important question, and partnership also a very important question. Difference between private and public company is a very important question. What are the various factors that determine the selection? Sources of finance, these four are very important. If you practice these four, definitely I assure you, you will get 20 marks. Let us go to the next part, that is for answer any four question, 5 marks. Define business, trade, limitation of sole traders, kinds of partnership, advantage of joint stock company, functions of promoter, explain briefly the registration process of MSME, and what are the benefits of e-commerce. Let us see the 2 marks question, 13 to 22. 5 question you have to answer out of given questions. Each question carries 2 marks. These are very important question. Profession, intraport, trade, employment, active partner, government company, capital subscription, long-term finance, microfinance, e-trading, and state service enterprise. Next, this is about the 50 marks for commerce. Then the accountancy 50 marks. You know that in accountancy 50 marks you will get one question from final account. Final account is a very important. If you I request the student, don't practice only this question, by because sometime adjustment may change. Here outstanding salaries is given. In some problem they will give prepaid salary, how to calculate outstanding prepaid, and sometime they will give depreciation. Like this 3-4 problems of previous year, last 3 years paper final account problem you solve, definitely it will give you 20 marks for final account. Next is triple column, is a very important question for 10 marks. If you practice this question and practice last 3 years problem also for triple column, that they give you 10 marks. BRS you can leave in as an option, because out of answer any one question out of 3 questions. Next is the theory part of the commerce. Answer any 2 of the following, theory and practicals. This year subsidiary books is a very important. Purchase book, sale book, purchase return, sale return, that question they will ask. They will ask one question from ledger. This year first time it happens, they ask simple column cash book problem for 5 marks. So practice simple column cash book for 5 marks, and ledger account for 5 marks, and subsidiary book, purchase book, sale book, purchase return, sale return. Practice this, that definitely give you 5 into 2, that is 10 marks for the paper. Next is 2 marks questions. All journal entry, normally they will ask journal entry problem, opening entry, and trial balance. If you practice trial balance 2 marks question, and opening entry 2 marks question, and journal entry, they definitely give you. Practice these questions also. This model paper is very important model paper. If any student is preparing for the last minute, I request just prepare this model paper, that definitely give you good marks. For theory, for practical you have to do at least 3. For practical means for final account, triple column, or the ledger, last 3 years papers. If you practice, they definitely give you good marks for practical. For theory you can refer only this paper. This is a very important paper that give you good marks for theory. For practical, for final account, do last 3 years paper. For triple column, do last 3 years papers. For ledger, last 3 years paper. For ledger as well as simple column cash book, as well as subsidiary books, last 3 years papers, and journal entry, trial balance, and opening entry, last 3 years paper. That for practical, do last 3 years paper. For theory you can refer this one as it is. This is brief about commerce and accountancy paper. For more update, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.